Here we substitute, we put x power q minus 1 is equal to t, and differentiate with respect to t, we get 3x square dx is equal to dt, and dx is equal to 1 by 3 x square into dt. So we can write in this. So we can write the integral x q minus 1 power 1 by 3 to power 5 dx is equal to t power 1 by 3 and x to the power 5, and dx is equal to 1 by 3 x square dt. Here the power of x square is cancelled and the remainder 3. So the integral comes 1 by 3 integration of t power 1 by 3 and x to the power q, where x to the power q equal to t plus 1. So next is t power 1 by 3 and t x power q is equal to t plus 1 into dt. So we can write 1 by 3 integration of this is multiplied, and we get t power is added 1 by 3 plus 1, we get 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 4 by 3. Okay, so we can write 4 by 3 and plus t power 1 by 3 dt. Also integrate this term of t with respect to get 4 by 3 plus 1 and 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t 1 by 3 plus 1 and 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c is equal to 1 by 3, and simplify is equal to get 3 4 6 t power 7 by 3 by 7 by 3 plus t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c of this integration of constant, and 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7 into the power 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4 into the power 4 by 3 plus 3. Here 3 and 3 here and 3 here, so d is common and 3 is common, so 3 is cancelled. So we can write 1 by 7 and d is replaced in the term of x here. So x cube minus 1 power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 and t is equal to x cube minus 1 power 4 by 3 plus c. This is your answer. Okay, next problem. Here we substitute, we put 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t, and differentiate with respect to x, we get 3 x square dx dt to 0. Okay, next between the 9 into x square dx is equal to dt, implied that dx is equal to dt by 9x square. So the integral becomes x square to 2 plus 3 x cube power q dx is equal to xxy by this is equal to t. 2 plus 3x cube is equal to we get t, so t power 3 and dx is equal to dt by 9xxy, where xxy is cancelled, so we get 1 by 9 out of the integral and 1 by t power 3 and dt is equal to 1 by 9 integration of t power minus 3 dt is equal to 1 by 9 t power minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 3. So integration is 1 by 9 t power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 3 equal to minus 1 by 15, and also it take t power 2 plus c and t replace in the term of x, we get 2 plus 3x cube to power x square plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Next problem is substitute log put log x is equal to t and differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So imply that dx is equal to x into dt, therefore the integral becomes x into log x to the power n into dx is equal to 1 by x into log x into t into the power n, and dx is equal to x into dt. So here x is cancelled and get written as t power minus n into dt. So in written as t power minus n plus 1 by this 1 plus 1 plus c, because the formula of t integration to power n into dt is equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So next processing t is replaced in the term of x, we get log x and so that is 1 minus n and 1 minus n. Let's see, this is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. Next problem is given that this integral and its solution is we put here 9 minus 4x xy is equal to 3 and differentiate with respect to x, we get minus 4 into 2 into x into dx is equal to 3 and simplify minus 8x dx is equal to dt, and we find dx is equal to dt by minus 8x. Therefore the given integral becomes 9 minus 4x xy dx is equal to x by t, because 9 minus 4x xy we already related t, and dx is defined as dt by 4x, where x is cancelled, so the integral becomes in the term of t minus 1 by 8 into 1 by t dt minus 1 by 8, and the integration of 1 by t is equal to log t plus c. Then t is replaced in the term of x, we get minus 1 by 8 into log 9 minus 4 x xy plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Next problem is here we put 2x plus 3 is equal to t in differentiate with respect to x, we get 2 dx is equal to dx dt because 3 is here, it's constant, so this derivative is equal to 0. Okay, therefore dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Then integral becomes e to power 2x plus 3 dx is equal to integration power t and dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, where 1 by 2 is constant out of integral, and integration is for t dt equal to 1 by t, and integration with power t is equal to power t, and plus c is constant. Then t we replace the term of x, we get t is equal to 2x plus 3 plus c, and this is your answer. Okay. The next problem is given that this integral here we substitute put this term, put x square is equal to x square is equal to t. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, we get 2x dx equal to dt, and dx equal to dx equal to 2x dt, therefore the integral becomes dx by power xy dx is equal to x, and the power xy is equal to t, and dx is equal to 1 by 2x dt, where x is cancelled, so 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 into dt, and 1 by 2 cancelled in the middle with 1 into dt, and 1 by 2 equal minus t 1 minus 1 plus c because the value is 4 of interest in 4 t into dt equal to 50 where dx is equal to minus 1 here. So 7 minus 1 by 2 is minus 10. The same multiplication is this we get 1 by 2 is power minus xy plus c, also it can be 10 1 by 2 into 1 by 8 power xy plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Next is the given integrals. Here we put 10 inverse x is equal to a, because the derivative of 10 inverse x is equal to gives 1 by plus x square. So put 10 inverse x is equal to t, and derivative is equal to 1 by plus x square dx is equal to dt, and therefore dx is equal to 1 plus x square in dt, therefore the integrals becomes equal 10 inverse x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to e power 10 inverse x equal to t, and 1 plus x square into dx is equal to 1 plus x square dt, here 1 plus x square 1 plus x square is cancelled, so that integration e power t into dt is equal to e power t plus c, because integration is equal to e power t, and then t is replaced in the original function x, and we get e power t 10 inverse x plus c. In this program, first we apply solution. First, we divided by e to power x, we get numerator and denominator. Okay, so we get e power 2x minus 1 e power 2x plus 1 dx is equal to integration e power 2x minus 1 by e power x by e power 2x plus 1 by power x dx is equal to separate form in brackets e power 2x by e power x minus 1 by e power x by e power 2x by e power x plus 1 by power x by dx, and then is equal to written as this is equal to written as with 2x minus 1 is cancelled with this, so e power x minus e power minus x, also e power x plus e power minus x into dx, since e power 2x by power x is equal to e power 2x and into minus x, so base is same, so power is simplified, 2x minus x is equal to power x. Okay, here you use some rule, in this we get this required form, and then we substitute, and we substitute put here e power x plus 2 power minus x is equal to p, and differentiate with respect to x we get e power x minus e power minus x because minus 1 here, so the x equal to dt, therefore dx equal to 1 by e power x minus power minus x to dt, therefore is equal to, we can return as by x minus power minus x and to t, I will get this is equal to, and dx equal to dx minus power minus x here, dx equal to, so here this is cancelled, we get 1 by t into dt, and this integral is equal to log more p plus c, and t you replace in the term of x here, so we get log e power x plus e power minus x plus c, this is your required answer. Okay, so next problem we continue, here we put it in power 2x plus the power 2x, previous problem is t and differentiate with respect to x we get, and here minus 2 to the power minus 2x dx is equal to dt, and this is 2 is common, and 2 e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx is equal to dt, imply that dx is equal to dt by 2 e power 2x is power 2x, therefore this integral is equal to e power 2x minus e power 2x by 2x plus power minus 2x dx is equal to integration of e power 2x and e power 2x by, this is equal to t, and dx is equal to dt by 2 into 2x minus e power minus 2x, therefore minus 2x is minus 2x cancelled, therefore the required integral is 1 by t into dt, and this is log t plus c, and t is replacing the whole term of x, we get log t is equal to here e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c is your answer. Okay, so next problem here we put 2x minus 3 is equal to t, okay, and differentiate with respect to x we get 2 dx is equal to dt, and dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, therefore the required integral is 10 square into dt by 2, and we know that changing 10x or x t in sec in term of sec, because we know that sec x y x minus 10 x y t is equal to 1, therefore 10 x square t is equal to sec x square t minus 1. So we can write here 10 x square t is equal to sec x square t minus 1. 1 by 2 is constant, so 1. So the integral is equal to 1 by 2, and then integration is sec x square t dt minus small into dt equal to 1 by t, and sec x square t equal to 10t minus t minus t plus c, and t replacing the term of x, we get 1 by t 10 equal to 2x minus 3 and minus 2x minus 3 plus c, and simplify we get 2x minus 3 by 2 minus 2 is cancelled, so x and minus plus we got 2 plus c. This is your answer. Next problem is 12. Next problem is first we change 10 instead. So because we know sec x minus 10 x is equal to 1, so that 10 x equal to sec x minus 1. So this integral we can retain as sec xy 2x minus 3 minus 1 to dx. In the separate form, also we can retain as sec xy 2x minus 3 dx minus 1 into dx. So in first integral is equal to sec xy 2x minus 3 dx, and then this integral is equal to 1x plus c, and this is integral here. Put 2x minus 3 equal to t, therefore 2 dx equal to dt, write that dx equal to 2 dt. So the given integral becomes sec xy to dx equal to 1 by 2 dt minus plus c equal to 1 by 2, and sec xy t dt minus plus c equal to 1 by 2, and this integral is equal to 10x 10t, because sec xy t integration is equal to 10t minus x plus c, and t we replace in the term of x, we get 1 by 2 10, and t is equal to 2x minus 3 minus x c. Your answer. Next problem is this is already given a sec for x, so we put direct 7 minus 4x is equal to t, and differentiate with respect to x, we get minus 4 dx equal to dt, and dx equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. Therefore the given integral becomes sec xy t into t by minus 4 equal to minus 4 is out of the integral, and decimal take x by t dt is equal to means on the 4. And this integral is equal to 10 t plus c t. We replace in the term of x, we get 7 minus 4x plus c. This is your required answer. Okay, next problem 23. Here we put sin inverse x equal to t because differentiation of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So under 1 minus x square dx equal to dt and dx is equal to dt by root under 1 minus x square. Therefore the given integral becomes sin inverse x by root under 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x is equal to 50 and so here dx equal to root under minus x square dt. So into dx equal to root under minus x square dt. So here imply that equal to integration of dt equal to t square factor plus c because integration of t power n into dt is equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And d is also replaced in the term of x. We get sin inverse x to the power 2 by 2 plus c. This is your required answer. Next problem is given that what do we take this we see that in common. So we take common of this integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Here 2 is common, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x and dx. And it 1 by 2 integration 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x into dx. Here we put 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to p and differentiate with respect to. So we get minus 3 sin x because the differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x, and here 2 cos x dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx is equal to dt by and 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Therefore the integral equals to be 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx is equal to 1 by 2. Get 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by we let this is equal to p. So and dx is equal to here dt by 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Therefore this is cancelled and 1 will left p into dt, and this integral is equal to another of t plus c and t is replaced in the term of x. We get 20 log and t equal to here So 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Let's see, this is required answer. Next problem is here. Given that this integral has to be, can see that 1 minus 10x is related. So solution, put 1 minus 10x is equal to and differentiate with respect to p, we get this is 0 and minus sec x into dx to dt, and imply that dx is equal to dt or minus sec x. Therefore the given integral becomes 1 by cos x into is equal to t, the dx and dx is equal to dt or minus sec x. Therefore it also can be written as integration of sec x by dxy because 1 by cos xy is equal to sec x. So we can write here on the sec x. Sec x into 1 by sec x into dt, and therefore this is essential. The next step is 1 by dx of integral and dt is equal to minus sin integration t power minus 2 into dt equal to minus t power minus 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 is plus 1, and this is equal to minus t power minus 1 by minus 1 to 3 equal to minus 3 minus 2 and plus, and t power minus 1 is also written in t plus c, and t we replacing the term of x, we get 1 by 1 10x. Let's see from here replace with, and this is your answer. Next problem is given that this problem let a substitute root x is equal to t, then differentiate with respect to t, we get 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx equal to dt. Therefore dx is equal to 2 root x into dt, imply that cos root x by root x into dx is equal to cos root x equal to t, and root x and dx is equal to 2 root x into dt. Here root x and root x is cancelled, so 2 out of integral and cos t into dt, therefore 2 and cos t is equal to integral sin q plus c, and 2t will be replacing the term of x, we get sin root x plus c. This is your required answer. Next problem is here given that solution, here we put sin 2x equal to t, and differentiate with respect to x, we get 2 cos 2x dx equal to dt, imply that dx equal to dt by 2 cos 2x. Therefore the integral becomes cos 2x dx equal to root 2 because sin 2x is equal to t, and cos 2x and dx is equal to dt by 2 cos 2x, and here cos 2x cancel, and number 2 is auto integral, and number 2 into dt into 1 by t, and integration of 1 by t into dt equal to 1 by t, and t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3. Simplify this integral. We can obtain is 1 by 2 t power 3 by 2 3 by 2 plus 3, and 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 plus 3. T replacing the term of x into is cancelled. So 1 by 3 and t equal to sin 2x to power 3 by 2 plus 3. This is your required answer. Next problem is given that here we put solution. Here we put 1 plus sin x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x, we get cos x dx is equal to dt, and dx is equal to dt by cos x. Therefore, the integral becomes cos x by root under 1 plus sin x into dx equal to cos x and root under t, because 1 plus sin x equal to t, and dx equal to dt by cos x. Here cos x is cancelled, and the integral will be 1 by root 2 into dt equal to definitely power 1 by 2 dt equal to here integration here t power 1 by 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 here we take out integration of t power n into dt equal to t power n plus 1 into n plus 1 plus 4 values, and dt power 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2 plus 3. T replacing the term of x, we get to the power 1 plus sin x to the power 3 by 2 plus 3. This is your required answer. Next problem is given cot x log sin x into dx. So solution is put log sin x is equal to t. Therefore, direct differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by sin x into cos x into dx equal to dt, because differentiate of log x equal to 1 by x. Okay, therefore 1 cos x by sin x to dx equal to dt, imply that cot x into dx to dt, dx equal to dt by x. Therefore, the required integral is cot therefore the required cot x log sin x into dx is equal to cot into the log sin x equal to dt, and dx is equal to we have dt by cot x. Therefore, cot x is equal to cancel. Therefore, the required integral is equal to t power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 3, and t is replacing the term of x, we get log sin x to power 2, 2 plus 3. This is your answer. Okay, next problem is solution. Put here 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x is equal to, we get minus sin x dx equal to dt. Therefore dx is equal to minus dt by sin x. So the required integral is sin x by 1 plus x dx is equal to sin x by, and this is equal to tan t, and dx equal to dt by minus sin x. Sin x is cancelled, minus 1 by 3 into dt. This is minus log of t plus c, and t replacing the term of x, t is equal to 1 plus cos x plus c. This is your answer. Next problem is, here we put 1 plus cos x is equal to t, and differentiating we get sin x into dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx is equal to minus dt by sin x. So the integral becomes x by 1 plus cos x power also into dx equal to sin x by t power product square, dx equal to minus dt by sin x, and sin x cancel. So minus 1 by dx into dt is equal to minus, also it minus 2 into dt is equal to minus 8 power minus 2 plus 1, and minus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 power minus 1, and minus 1 plus 3 is minus 1 is plus, and also 2 power 1 by 2 plus 20, replacing the term of x, we get 1 by 1 plus cos x sin and cos r. So this integral is equal to 1 plus cot x dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos x by sin x dx, because cot x equal to cos x by sin x, and simplify 1 by sin x plus cos x by sin x dx. Next, first into first, sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Next, we add some sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x. Here sin x and sin x is 2x, so we multiply 1 by 2, and dx is, and cos x and minus cos x we add and separate also. So 1 by 2, and this integral can be written first in this term and second term, and separate we can written as sin x plus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. This term is cancelled, so 1 by 2 derivation of 1 into dx plus derivation of sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Here we put sin x plus x is equal to t, then cos x minus sin x is cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by minus take sin x here, sin x minus cos x. So from here to 1 by 2 and 1 of integral is equal to ax and plus this is sin x minus cos x, and this is equal to t here, this is equal to, so and dx is equal to here dt by minus sin x minus cos x. So this is cancelled, so the integrals becomes 1 by 2 ax plus and minus here is so minus and integration of 1 by t dt and this is simplified equal to 1 by 2 x minus log t plus c and t is replaced in term of x we get 1 by 2 x minus log t is equal to here sin x plus t sin x plus cos x plus this is your answer. Next problem, this is given is 1 by 1 minus 10x. This is also change in sin x and cos x term. So solution, first we change in sin and cos term. So the given entry becomes 1 minus sin x by cos x, because 10x is equal to sin x by cos x, and simplify 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x and dx, and then first into last cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. It can be also written as cos x minus sin x plus sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. Here sin x is cancelled and cos 2 2 cos x, so 2 is extra, so we can also multiply by 2 and then solve, we get this process. So the next steps is 1 by 2 integration of cos s in this term separate first term and this is second term. Okay, so cos s minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x ds plus sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x ds. Here 1 by 2 and this is cancelled. So here 1 into dx plus here sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. See here 1 by 2 integration of simply 1 is equal to 1 and plus sin x plus cos x and cos x minus sin x dx. And next we apply substitution method. Put cos x minus sin x is equal to t. Differentiate we get cos 2 minus sin x minus sin cos x dx equal to 50 minus we take common get sin x plus cos x dx equal to dt imply that dx equal to dt by minus sin x plus cos x. So this from equation 1 by 2 dx plus this is equal to sin x cos x and this is equal to t because we relate t and dx equal to dt by minus sin x plus cos x. So this is cancelled and minus is also dx plus and this is at minus plus and minus minus only integration in the 22 plus and next is 1 by 2 into x minus log t plus c and t will replace in term of x we get ax minus log t will replace in term of a. So v is equal to x minus sin x. This is your final answer. Okay, this is your required answer of problem 32 cos x minus sin x. This is required here. Also can be written as x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log cos x minus sin x plus c. Simplify and clear that. Next problem is the given problem is first with sum will apply and multiplying by first we multiplying by 1 by cos x in numerator and denominator. Okay, so the given integral becomes root 10x into 1 by cos x and sin x into cos x and 1 by cos x into dx is equal to, we can retain it, or integration of 10x into 10x by cos x divided by here sin x and by cos x. Sin x by cos x is equal to 10x and cos x dx. Here is because here sin x by cos x equal to 10x. Next process is you can retain it with 10x by cos x multiplied with cos to last. So 1 by cos x into 10x into dx is equal to, here root is cancelled, power 1 by 2, and so 1 by cos x of x multiply with, and then here remember that root 10x dx. Okay, and also it can be written as sec x by root under 10x into dx, because 1 by cos x or x is equal to sec x or x. Finally, we apply substitution method. So we put tan x is equal to t and differentiate with respect to t, we get sec x or ax dx is equal to dt. Therefore, dx is equal to dt by sec x or x. So the given integral becomes sec x or x by root under t, and dx is equal to dt by sec x or x. So here sec and sec is cancelled. So the given integral becomes 1 by root t dt, and this integral is equal to, we know that 2 root t plus c, and t we replace in the term of x, we get 2 root under t here 10x. So t is equal to 10x plus c. This is your answer. And this problem, here we apply substitution method. So we put 1 plus log x is equal to t, and differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, the required integral is 1 plus log x to power square x into dx is equal to dxy, because 1 plus log x is equal to t, and dx and dx is equal to here x into dt. So dx is equal to dx is equal to x into dt. So we write for dx is equal to x into dt, and then x is cancelled. So pxy into dt, and then pxy plus 1 and by rule integration for n into dt equal to t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, t power 3 by 3 plus 3. And t replacing the term of x. So 1 plus log x of q by 3 plus c. This is your required answer. Okay. Next problem here, we put solution by substitution method. Solve. Put here ax plus log x equal to c, and differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 plus 1 by x dx to dt, and simplify, you can written as x plus 1 by x into dx into dt, and then dx is equal to ax by 1 by x plus 1 into dt. So this integral you can retain as 1 plus x by this is equal to t power x squared by x, and dx is equal to ax by x plus 1 into dt. So x is cancelled, and also this is cancelled. Therefore txy into dt, and 2 power 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 plus 2, because it is not 2 power n into dt is equal to 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore 2 power 3 by 3 plus c, and t replacing the term of x, we get x plus log x cubed by 3 plus c. This is your required answer. Here in this problem with solve by substitution method. So solution, we put and 10 inverse to power 4 is equal to t, and differentiate with respect to x, we get to 1 by 1 plus x to power 4 by whole square into 4 into x power 3 to dx equal to dt, because derivative of dx by d to 10 plus x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so here dx is equal to 1 by x to the power 8 and 4x cubed dt. 4x cubed dt, and therefore the required integral is equal to x power 3 by 10 inverse x to the power 4 by 1 plus x to the power 8 into dx is equal to so here we write that we can retain as so x cubed 7 and 10 inverse x to the power 4 is related in this form t by 1 plus x to the power 8, and dx is here. So dx is equal to 1 by x to the power 8 by 4x cubed in dt. So 3x cubed, 3x x to the power 2, and cancel, and this is cancelled. So equal to sin t into dt, and this is minus cos t plus c, and t replacing the term plus we get cos 10 inverse x to the power 4 plus c is here. and this is not required answer. Here's this question is objective types. Also, this problem is solved by substitution method. So, solution put here x to the power 10 plus 10 power x is equal to p. Differentiate with respect to x, we get 10 x to the power 9 plus here this differentiate is equal to 10 for x and log its power 10 by using this rule derivative formula. Dx is equal to dt and therefore dx is equal to dt by 10 x to the power 9 plus 10x log e power 10. Therefore this integral is equal to 10x 10x to the power 9 plus 10x to log e power 10 by t and dx is equal to dx by 10x to the power 9 plus 10 or log e power 10 is therefore this is answer. We get 10 here 1 by t in dt. So this integral is equal to log mod t plus c and t related. So log x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x plus c. So the correct answer is here log x to the power 10 and 10 to the power x. This is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next problem is here given that this problem is can written as 1 by sin x by x into cos x by x into dx, and also we know that cos x by x plus sin x by x is equal to 1, so we written as cos x by x plus sin x by x by sin x by x into cos x into dx, and can write with partial form is cos x by x by sin x by x into cos x by x into dx plus here sin x by x by sin x by x into cos x by x into dx. So therefore cos x by x cosine and sin and sin cancels, and therefore the required integral 1 by sin x by x into dx plus 1 by cos x by x into dx, and this is equal to 1 by sin x is equal to assume that was set. So cos x by x dx plus 1 by cos x by x equal to sec x by x into dx. And this integral is equal to, we know that for x, and this integral is equal to, know that 10x plus c. So also 10x 10x means 4x plus c. So the correct option will be 10x minus 4x plus c. So the correct answer will be c. C is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to your channel.